How to change background in CapCut PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here is what we are working with today. So I'm just going to click the video and then we're going to head over to cutout and then we're going to choose auto cut out. After doing so, you can see that our background is now gone, and this is applicable if you have a human-like figure. Now you can go ahead and click the basic here, and then if you're going to scroll down, you have the canvas option. Now you can select none, or you can also go ahead and choose from the presets that are here already. For example, colors, you can definitely add that one for your green screen or ultra key later. And then you can click the style, and you have different styles in here. Say that, for example, this one, or whatever that you can find down here. Now, say for example, you want to use your own background. We can go back here. Let's go ahead and set this back to none. Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put this here on another layer, and then we can go ahead and drag that particular image of ours, and then we're just going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger, just like so, and then we're going to match the length of our video, and that is how to change background in CapCut PC.